start of the walk. 2.5 hours walk.
Or
To
could
the
be
falls.
3 hours.
Oh my God. That's the reception there. We're going to pay. This is the map. Ingleton. Oh my God. These are the falls. Wow. Oh, Ingleton Waterfalls. Let's see. This is the starting point again too. Which is which? Left or right? Right.
Noon, ipinakita mo ang iyong kapangyarihan. Ngayon,
You know what are those?
ipinadama
Coins.
mo
Oh,
ang iyong
close up.
kabutihan. Kailanman iral ang iyong kaluwalhatian. Walang
Oh my God, more coins here,
hanggan.
look. Can you see that?
Ikaw ay
piece of blood.
papupurihan.
What do you call that? They put so many coins in
Sa
here.
pagdaan
Piece of blood.
ng mga
First time to see something like this.
lagi
Yan.
kang
Yan yung mga coins na pinauwi nila. Oh, kabaon, di ba?
pag-ibig
Doon,
mo
sa
ay
dulo.
sapat.
Grabe.
Hindi namin mabilang ang lahat ng pagpapala. Dakilang hari at Diyos na dakila.
Yung iba ano na oh, become rusty now, some of the coins. Completely covered this one. There's another one everywhere we go. Look! Look! Here's another one, money tree. And then I just want to get some souvenir here, this one. Oh yeah. Kalawang na. It's rusty. And then more ascending stairs here. Oh my God, never ending stairs. I think we shall break in a bit. 5 minutes. We're doing like almost an hour walk by the stream. Somebody here. I think this one is the first sightseeing view of the place. Some wooden fence here. Look, nice and cloudy today, so I don't mind the walking miles and miles. Still, we can see the falls yet. We still have like less than 2 hours to get there. that? Bubbles. Those bubbles. And the second bridge. Wow! At least you can closer this time. Kuha muna ako rito. Yun yung falls. Saan pupunta ka? Yan! Nasa bridge kami. Yun malalim yun, no? Nagpastao yan. Kita nyo, mababaw dun pero dito malalim. Very steep. Yan. We're even closer this time to the falls. And just a few yards away. Pwede ko na matouch. But obviously there's a barrier. I cannot go down. We're stairs to climb up. Nagme-melt na yung beauty ko. Grabe. Honey, take your time. My God, never ending stairs. Ayun, mababa na nga yung falls, oh. Meron pang isa. Oh, this is even closer here. Shall we go there? To the viewing point. Ayan, no? Closer kami. Ay! Grabe! Ano ba ito? Ayan! Oh, 10 metro lang kami rito. But the other one is right there. Kaya nasa mataas na lugar na kami. There's another falls right there. I think 2 or more. Ayan, ayan si Stan, tuwan-tuwa siya, oh. It's good that it's cloudy today. Ayan. Nga rin, mag-swimming nga ako dyan, eh. Ayan! Oh. Layo ng kamay ko. Ayan! Sige. Oh my God, there is more! 4 waterfalls! Doon kami galing. 2 waterfalls in there. Tapos heto pa, oh. Honey, what is that? Kakawala ng pagod. Ang beauty niya, nagpa-picture na rito sa 1, 2, 3, 4 waterfalls. Keep going na pa. Oh my God, there's more.
Oh. Kailan na ako awit ng isang bagong awit? Kung ang habag mo at biya.
Now we're approaching to even bigger. This is much bigger than the first waterfalls. Yan, bigger one. Tapos kita niyo yung rocks, so really nice. And then we're going up more ascent. Bye-bye waterfalls.
Na mula sa puso para sa iyo ay isinulat.
Naunahan ko na si Stan. I go pa si Stan na because it's very slow. Ayan na, mababa na yung waterfalls.
Time for my family, my Boraful family. They deserve a lovely time for my.
We're on top of the hill, but there's more to climb. I think it's time to have our cold drink. I got my I will say again. My Coke Zero in a Pepsi Max bottle. There. Oh my God, it's cloudy. Look, it's going to rain.
What? Oh no.
Right. My beautiful walking shoes. It's me. More climbing. Ay naku, iihip. Honey. Guess what he wants to do?
No.
Wow.
The laughter, the moment we
Yun yung waterfalls banda ron, no? Pero nasa may taas na kami. Na.
perfect time of the year to show how much I love them, to show how much I care.
I got ice water in there in your bag. I put it there. This is your towel. And this is our school cake. My favorite grapes. Yes. And I got my Coke Zero. Pepsi Max na durog na. Icy one. Woo!
What do you want?
Ang ganda ng location namin, no? Nasa taas kami ng bundok, pero sa cliff. Tabi ng cliff. Tapos yung waterfalls, banda rin sa baba. Doon banda. So ito lang, ito ng pagkain ko, grapes. Grapes. School cake. Ba't kaya school cake yan? Honey, give me my, give me my Coke. That's mine. You didn't bring yours. It's only less than an hour or an hour walk to the falls. Kawawa naman Pepsi ko na na durog. Icy Coke. Kain tayo. That's it. Kakapagod yung hagdan. I don't know how high we get up to get to the on top of the waterfalls, but even higher than waterfalls. Kami sa taas. Pupunta mamaya. They're so nice. They took picture of me, those couples. So, and then Stan is walking ahead.
For the wonderful time.
Ito na kami, may mga naliligo ron. Honey, can we stay here for a while? May naliligo ron. Ayan. Ito na ako sa falls. May mga naliligo ron. Ayan, no? Hingal. Doon kami galing, oh. Tapos doon pa sa baba. All the way there. Na ako. Hindi yung beauty ko, ah. Stop din siya. It's only like a third of the way, honey. This one. Still more climbing to do.
Sinabi sa Isaías 9:6, pangako niya ay di magmintis. Nakita ng bayang may gawaing lihis, ang ilaw na may liwanag ng silahis. In a little town,
I think this is Sussex Bridge.
in the Middle East,
Can you see that?
a baby is born.
Ice cream vendor on top of the mountain.
Prince of Peace.
How did they manage to come here? Here we come. Approaching the ice cream vendor. Which one? Honey, open it please. Oh, sorry. I forgot how to open it. Honey, do you want some ice cream? Yes, ice cream time. Honey, what do you like? Dairy 99, that one. What? You want some, this one? Oh yeah.
Hello.
Honey, what do you want?
Just a small
Small.
double choc chip. Small double choc chip.
Small double choc chip. Small one for him.
With the flake or without?
Uh,
No, no.
good ice cream time. Yummy. Ice cream time on top of the mountain. May vendor kasi ron. Ano kaya nakarating dito yan? Yung van na yan. Ano yun? Di manage to come here. Yummy. Mm. Mm. Natunaw na. Nginit kasi. Sa buhok ko. Kain tayo. Sarap ng ice cream oh. Pero kahapon mas mainit. Sarap ang ice cream. Sagot ko ice creamista eh. Kasi sagot niya yung ano pagdadrive. Saka yung entrance. Mas mahal yung binabayaran yan. Just ano, honey, finish now. May look at this oh. It's really fast, the ice cream. Sabay lang kami nagsimula kumain ng ice cream tapos na siya oh. Hindi namin kasi ice cream. Kasi nasa taas kami ng bundok.
Holiday, beautiful holiday, exciting and refreshing. Just got back home, but the sun follows me. Wonderful time together, 3 weeks of hot summer sun. Booze, food, drink, burgers, zigzag road, mountain, sea, and sand. Now back to reality. Job is waiting.
You have to keep something, honey. Have the card. Find the card. Bank transfer. Look at that. Oh, tapos na kami dyan in Ingleton Waterfall Trails. I think we'll do the view on the other side of the stream. Beasley Falls. Ito different river to, different falls. So we just go circular way. Tapos we come down here again. Oh, sorry daw. To another part. Nabunggo ko yung ulo ng aso. Buti hindi ako tinahulan. Yan, no? Pero ito up and down, up and down. Another falls. Breathtaking talaga. Oh. 2.5 hours daw ng ano. I think malalim dyan. Isang kumukuha ng litrato. Kala niya papatalo ako. Ako video to. Video. Yung salamin ko nandito. Init. Here. Baka mahulog. Ayun. Ang lalim, di ba? Kaya nga lang I cannot see from here the waterfalls. That's it. It's just so deep. Balik na ako rin kay Stan. Ay, akit na naman, no? Oh, ilang baitang yan, ha? Ilang baitang to. Stop. Okay. So, right. Pahinga muna kami rito. Kasi it's getting hot now. It's 12:25 noon. Getting hotter. We'll just cool down ourselves here. Splashing on the water. Muna ako. Just wanna sit here to this side. Ay! Stop the water to my face. Ayan. Hilamos. Ang init kasi. Sarap ng tubig. Hilamos. Isa pang hilamos ha. Isa pa. Isa pa. Ang grass. Ito pa. Ito pa. Ayan. Ang init kasi. Ano ko? Legs. Kasain. Lahat yan. Grabe yung lakad namin. Ewan ko, ilang milya. 5 miles siya tayo. Up, down, up, down. Assistant, honey, have you decided to pull yourself down here? Sprinkle some water. Naghahanap siya ng pwesto niya.
I love for who you are. You are not perfect, but I learned to love you more. I know you do the same. 27 years past, what a journey. I am so blessed because God gave me you. Baby, now I love you more, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I still remember way back in Korea. You talked to me, we talked a lot. Start with the music.
Gitna ng lakad natin. Oh, may bintana siya ron. Tired. Ayun na kami. We're nearly there. May talo isang gate na.